Movement has shaped me to who I am today by the experiences I have gone through, and also they've helped me find my confidence.
I chose movement for Elise because she was already at a charter school and I liked the charter school environment. And then when I heard about the new school opening, I thought, well, let's just try the new school. It's even smaller, but it's obviously worked. We've been here since she was in 2nd grade and she's now going to the 8th grade.
Mr. Gorham, he helped me with my confidence and made sure that I got my point across and that I knew what I wanted to go after.
Elise came in the picture for me. Elise was one of my first scholars that I ever taught straight out of college. So when I met Elise in 2019, Elise was, of course, very smart, very intelligent, but she was very, very, very kind of quiet and soft-spoken. And to date, Elise has come out of her shell so much. And so movement school has really poured into Elise in ways where you've seen her ability to be social, you've seen her abilities to choose her friends, you've seen her abilities to say hey, I actually like this. I want to try this thing. She has really come to a place where she said to herself, as a young scholar, I want to advocate for myself professionally in the right ways, and movement school really emphasizes that.
It's his encouragement and the encouragement from the teachers matter to her. And, I think that's important. It's not just me and her dad, it's also, the teachers that I think help her thrive.